Alright, in this video I'm going to show you the prop holders that I printed for the Mavic Mini and for the Mavic Mini 2. So this is the original prop holder that comes with the Mavic Mini 2, and it has a metal buckle on there that snaps into place. And I also had the Mavic Mini and I didn't want to buy another one. I think they're only like $13. But I did have a printer, 3D printer, and I had some TPU, so I designed one. And I have a link down below for the 3D printed file. And just used some TPU and printed one out. So here I just used some dollar store Velcro. And here's how it looks. Still has some strings on there I didn't clean off. And I didn't use as much material up here like this one is, but it's the same size. It fits exactly the same. The only difference is this has a buckle on there and this has some Velcro. So here's a good look at it. Nice and flexible. And that's it. Now the thing about this is it took me a while to get my TPU settings right, and I had to print it at 25%. I don't know if you can see through here, but if I printed it any faster, whenever it was trying to make these lines, it wouldn't go all the way to the edge. And it looks like it still isn't going all the way to the edge. So maybe for my first couple layers, I might have even needed to slow it down a little more or made this band a little thicker. But either way, it stays together, and I'll just keep playing with it. And just like the other prop holder, goes in like that, and it fits down in behind the gimbal cover, and then back here just fold it over, and then there you go. So I also printed this little license plate holder. So I made printed out a little license plate that has says Virginia on it, just like my Virginia license plate. But I put the drone's registration number on there, and then I put my phone number underneath. So a lot of people don't like putting their phone number on there, but I figure if I lose it, I'd rather somebody have a way of finding me to give it back to me. So on all my drones, I used to put my phone number on there anyway, so I just continued that on here. Alright, so for the rest of the video, I'm just going to take it out today. It's a nice day, and fly it around. Alright, that's it for this video. Again, I just wanted to show you some things you can do with TPU, and I made the Mavic Mini propeller holder using TPU and black filament, and made a little license plate holder. And I'll leave a link down below for the files for both of these, and I'll also leave a link down below where you can buy a aftermarket propeller holder for your Mavic Mini if you don't have a Mini 2, if you have a Mavic Mini that didn't come with one. Alright, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.